Hello again and welcome to Module 6. This week we're going to talk about attitudes, perceptions, and health. You'll be reading Chapter 13, which discusses symptoms, and Chapter 14, which covers the partnership between clients and healthcare practitioners. So as I mentioned, Chapter 13 discusses symptoms and the various purposes for symptoms. So symptoms are warning signs that can indicate there's a problem, or they can provide feedback for people to pay attention to the way they're living. For example, when we feel hungry, we know we need to eat. Or when we feel pain from touching a hot surface, we know to pull our hand away. Symptoms can also serve a role in the healing process, such as how coughing helps rid the lungs of mucus. Paying attention to these warning signs helps us move toward health and healing. Chapter 14 talks about the partnership between clients or patients and their healthcare providers. It's important that both parties take an active role in the patient's care and that there's mutual respect between the parties. Chapter 14 goes into detail about what factors to consider when choosing a healthcare practitioner, what information should be provided, what questions should be asked, etc. So please read through Chapter 14 carefully and let me know if you have any questions. Once again, this is the timeline for the final project. So part 1 was due last week. Part 2, which is the rough draft, will be due next week in Module 7. And then the final draft will be due in Module 8. I hope everyone has a great week.